and double stall between the legs, sweep up over the top. And we're going to do the same combo on the left side. So chase the sun once and twice and 3 times. Now on the 4th one, we're going to sweep up, wrap the poi, come into buzzsaw on the left. Yeah, and open it up and sweep back and over the top 2nd and the 3rd time. And now for the 4th time, come up over the top, shorten the poi, and into buzzsaw on the left. And release to the side and chase the sun once and twice and 3 times. Now on the 4th time, sweep up, shorten the poi into buzzsaw and release to the side. And last set, chase the sun, 2nd time, 3rd time, and now sweep up over the top into buzzsaw. Yeah, nice. Okay, and release to the side and sweep back, step left, sweep over. Now, sweep back left, away from me, yes, step back and sweep over. So, sweep back, step forward, sweep over, sweep back, step back, sweep over. So it's a switch back. We're overhand on the left, we sweep back, then we step, then sweep over away from me, then sweep back away from me, and step back and sweep over. Yes, so it's a switch back. So watch, I'm turning right, bum, 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 then I'm turning left, bum, 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 bum. We'll do this a couple times. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step, sweep over, sweep back, step back, sweep over. So you don't step on, yes, that's exactly right. So when you come to this side, you don't step. You do 2 sweeps without a step when you get to the right side. Okay, so sweep back, step left, sweep over, sweep back, sweep over, sweep back. Or think about it, when you're facing away from me, you do a clockwise chasing the sun away from me. And then you step back and sweep over. So sweep back, chase the sun away from me, and then step back. We're in overhand. 5, 6, 7, and sweep back, chase the sun away from me, then step back and sweep over. And 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, chase the sun away from me, step back and sweep over. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, chase the sun away from me, and step back and sweep over. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, chase the sun away from me, and step back as you sweep over. Okay, double stall between the legs. We're going to do it on the other side. Ooh, shit. Just when you got it on one side. Okay, so we're going to sweep back, step right, chase the sun away from me on that side, and then step back and sweep over. Nice. Sweep back, step right, chase the sun away from me, step back and sweep over. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step right, chase the sun away from me, step back and sweep over. So I'm planting on my left foot. Yes, it is. I step with my right foot. Yes, so I sweep back, step right, chase the sun, step back right, and come back over the top. Just like that. Yes. So 5, 6. Oh, okay. And just to be clear, the advantage of doing it this particular way, because you could step the other foot, but the advantage of doing it this way is that you don't move laterally. So the point is, I'm still staying in the same relative place. I start and end in the same place, which is useful when you're practicing in your tiny home versus like some huge dance floor like at the temple or something. So 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step right, chase the sun away from me, step your right foot back, sweep over the top to where you started. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step right, chase the sun away from me, sweep over, step back to where you started. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step right, chase the sun away from me, sweep over the top, back to where you started. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step right, chase the sun away from me, sweep over the top, and back to where you started. Stall right between your leg, overhand butterfly, butterfly turn around left, butterfly turn around right, go the extra 90, extra 90 degrees, and 2-petal flower. 2nd time, 3rd time, And now on the fourth one, start your swivel. 2 and 3. And then on your fourth one, come back to butterfly. Don't fuck up like I did. Butterfly turn around left. And butterfly turn around right. And turn left 90 degrees. 2 petal flower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're going to swivel. And swivel second. Your third swivel. And now your fourth swivel into overhand butterfly.